Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing good today. Hope everybody's safe with this virus going on. Got the March 2020 Allure beauty box for you today. Just came in the mail. Let's see if I can do it with one hand again. I'm gonna have to fire my help. She is asleep. Magazine for the month. LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Guessing this is gonna be, says it's a multi-use balm, used as a moisturizer, used as a treatment for cracked skin, lips, elbows, and heels. That'll be good. I hope it smells good like lemon. Oh my god, this looks like a full size of, is that Rodial? Is that how you say that? Glamo Lash Mascara XXL in Extreme Black. It's good we got something full size. See some sort of a sheet mask. Lapcos Hyaluronic Moisturizing Sheet Mask. Ooh. Okay, they've got the English part down here. Got two more things. Focus. Memondi Red Energy Recovery Serum. Looks like a deluxe sample size. Well, three things, sorry. An Urban Decay eyeliner in Zero. I have been wanting one of these for so long. I cannot wait to use it. I always get sent liquid liners when I do not use liquid liners, so I'm very happy to have this. And the very last thing is Floss, my new favorite lip gloss in Lax. Oh, let's see. It's kind of a brownish color. It's a nude, but I think it's leaning more on the brown side. Let's see what kind of information we've got about these. The mascara, the full size, which we got the full size, was $28. The LM Superfood is $14.90. The Floss Lip Gloss, $16. The Hyaluronic Sheet Mask, $3. The Urban Decay eyeliner for the full size is $22. We got a small sample. The Red Energy Recovery Serum, $40. And that's everything in this month's box. Let me know down in the comments, did you get the same thing? Are you happy with your box? How's everybody doing? Just start a conversation in the comments. I hope everybody has a good day, and please be safe. Talk to you next time. Bye.